Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chantel here, or you can call me Shan, whichever one. So today I am going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. I don't know if you guys were able to watch my what's in my never full GM Louis Vuitton bag, but I did mention that I was saving for a bag, and guess what I got? I got a Speedy Bandolier 35 in a Damier Azur print. So before I get started, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video and any other videos that I have to your mama, your grandma, your grandpa, your daddy, your son, whoever. We just trying to get my video to be shared to everyone and anybody that likes glams. And just a disclaimer, this is no bragging at all. I did save up my hard-earned coins to get this bag, so it ain't no like every 6 months type of thing. It's like every once in a while. So I'm probably not gonna buy another bag until I graduate college, until I get my degree. Yeah, because I just don't got money like that. But anyways, y'all, let's get started. So of course it came in this cute big old bag, and I just love it. Yes. And then it's also in this box like this. It flips open right here at the bottom like that. And then there goes the dust bag. The bag is all flattened, and I did have some tissue paper. She wrapped it up and put a bow on it. Of course, me, I was so excited, but I was just like, ooh, let me do an unboxing video with them. Here goes the dust bag. And then it just has the opening, the flap opening right there. And I just have ribbons that the lady wrapped around it. And they had this little cute card. Everything was wrapped up so nicely. So this is how the bag is like folded. And you just open it up. You got your bag. So this is the bandolier version. So it comes with a strap, of course. And it's just so freaking cute. I love this freaking bag. Every lady needs a bag like this. The holidays is coming up too. Christmas. Like, fellas, y'all need to get y'all girl a bag, because you can't go wrong with this. I know a lot of people love Neverfulls, but me personally, I like a Speedy. Like, you can't go wrong with a Speedy. And y'all probably tired of this color, Damier Azur, but Damier Abine. I am tripping. Did I say Azur earlier? I meant Damier Abine. I also got a Twilly, and this is also by Louis Vuitton. Like, you can put it on as a headscarf. You can wrap it on your bag. Yeah, I don't know what else you can do with it, but you can find other things to do with it, but I just chose to wrap it around the handle. And the lady, she did it so nicely. Like, I kind of messed it up, but I honestly don't know how to do it. I can try to do it, but I just want to show you guys how the length of it is. It's just a chain like structure with brown, and I thought the brown goes well with the Damier bean print. And it just says Louis Vuitton at the end. I just think it's just so freaking cute. So I can show you guys like a spin around of the bag, and like the leather is just so smooth, and the stitching is perfect. It's just oh so intact, because they do their thing on this bag. And then of course it has the key lock. And then it has, I think on the back of it has Louis Vuitton. The straps also have the Louis Vuitton logo on it as well. And of course it has the beautiful red interior. Like, look at that. Look how rich and red that is. Can't get enough. And then I also have the little baggie that goes along with it. This is like so cute. Know what I mean? I will probably use this to put some change in here, because I don't want to mess up my red interior inside. And then inside here is the key for that key lock that I just showed you that's on the bag. So my receipt came in this little envelope right here, and it's just like so freaking cute. So the twilly that I got is $190. Don't come after me. Yes, it's a lot of money, but I feel like the material that they use and the quality of the twilly is very much so worth it. It will last a very long time. And then the actual bag is actually $1,470. What? And here is the receipt. This is the overall bag, and as you can see, it has absolutely no shape. Like, look at it. I'm gonna take my organizer from my Neverfull GM. I'm not even sure if this is going to fit in here, but I'm just like gonna shove it in here because I want to see how it's gonna look and if it's even going to fit, because I opened the bag, of course, but I haven't gotten a chance to wear it. And I was just like, I'm gonna wait till I get my organizer to wear this because I don't like how the shape looks. But I was like, maybe this can fit in here. Oh, okay. Yes, it actually fits, y'all. Well, the diameters is not completely a snug fit, but inside the bag, that part right there, that's where the water bottles normally go. But other than that, the other pockets are usable, as you can see in here. And I got this organizer off of Amazon. Any organizer probably will work. But yeah, that's so exciting. I'm so happy. So I could just like literally change them out. I don't have to buy a whole nother one. Oh, it has a shade. Look at it now. Real nice. And I don't know who's counting, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the left hand side. That's where the logo stamps at. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is where the stamps at. I don't know what that proves, y'all, but I know I got mine from the store, so that's all that matters. So the last thing I'm gonna do, y'all, is show y'all a side profile of the bag on me. So if you're new here, I am a petite girl. I'm small. This might look a little bit bigger because it's a size 35, but I like me some big bags. For me, it's either you go big or go home. So yeah, that's what we gonna do. I just want to show you guys how it looks if somebody my size was interested in getting this bag. I would most likely wear it like this on my wrist because I just think it's just so cute like that. And then this is how it looks as a side bag. But yeah, y'all see it? Okay guys, that was it for my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much if you stayed this long. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a fat thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And until next time, I'll see you.